Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to pay the bills. So today, I'm going to show you how to make what we used to call back in my day powder milk, but they call it nowadays dry milk. And it's made by Village Farms. We got this from Wise, I believe, for like 10 bucks. So me and the hubby, we don't drink a lot of milk by ourselves. So we buy like a half a gallon. We got this to fill in before we could get back out and make our market run, our emergency run. So I only make a quart at a time. And as this thing suggests, you should mix it and then put it in a glass jar and let it set overnight so that you can have the right texture and the right taste. So I actually kind of got started already. So this was water, which we pre-boil all our water. And then we put in a cup and 1/3 of powder, and you just stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. Y'all remember back in the day when you used to make Kool-Aid? Stir it up, stir it up, stir it up. And then y'all are going to have some nice fresh milk. It actually tastes pretty good. Maybe like 2% milk, maybe. They say you can put more powder in it to make it thicker, or less powder to make it thinner. And then I like to rinse everything. I just have the cold water in there. And we're going to pour it on up in here. It looks so good. Back before my time, they used to drop milk off at people's houses in glass jars. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Dry milk.